You want to be on video?
I'm very tired.
You're very tired?
I am.
That wind was something, wasn't it?
Oh, goodness.
Put this on stretchers?
Yeah, get those, yeah, I'll get some stretchers done.
Say that on video?
Yeah, I'm saying goodbye to Eric Wolf and his boat. It was great rowing his boat. Got the little Olympic symbol there. Wow, I was rowing that.
Pretty awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, I was just like all over the place.
Windy. Windy.
Windy and tired.
Yeah.
The combination wasn't good.
Yeah.